What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle, and today we are going to be making a meat lover pizza zucchini boat. Now, the first thing we're going to do for this recipe is we got to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Now let's get cooking. So now, as always, the macros and recipe are going to be in the description. Go ahead and check that out because I'm going to go over most of this stuff, but the exact details will be right down there. First thing you're going to need, though, is 2 zucchinis. You're going to cut these in half and knock the stems off. Is hollow out your zucchini. So you're basically going to take a spoon and just scrape all the seeds out. Now you can set these aside and maybe use them in your sauce later, or you can just chuck them. Personally, I'm going to go ahead and throw them away because I'm trying to save the carbs, and you're cutting down a lot of carbs by limiting the amount of zucchini you're eating. Oven continues to heat up, we're going to go ahead and make the sauce for this. Now, I have made this sauce before. It was in my keto lasagna recipe, which is going to be in the card right here. If you have not seen that yet, check it out. It's delicious. But let's make this sauce. We just made, we're not going to use all of it. In fact, we're only going to use about half a cup. So set this stuff aside, make your keto pizza out of it, use it for the lasagna, whatever you want to do. But now it is time to assemble the boats. Now, you see them right behind me, all laid out on this foiled baking sheet. That's just so if we spill any cheese, it doesn't get stuck to the pan. Now, the first thing that's going to go into these boats is we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of that sauce per boat. I'm going to add 1 ounce of these Italian sausage crumbles to each boat. Now these things for 2 ounces is only 1 net carb, and the ingredient list is pretty great. There is a little bit of sugar in it, but it's the last ingredient on the list, so it's really not that much of a concern. Anyway, this whole bag is 4 ounces. We got 4 boats, so there's 1 ounce going in each boat. On top of those sausages, we're going to add 1 ounce of mozzarella to each boat. The next thing you're going to do is add your pepperoni. I find that about 6 pepperonis fits nicely on top of each boat. You could go more, you could go less, but I feel like 6 has them overlapping just slightly. Final thing going on the boat is half an ounce of Parmesan cheese. Now this is going to be half an ounce per boat, 2 ounces total. Alright guys, it is that time. Our boats are assembled and we're going to pop these in the oven. Our oven is fully preheated to 350 degrees and they're going to go in there for about 15 minutes. You want to make sure all your cheese is melted and your zucchini boats are cooked, but you don't want them so soft that they're just going to fall apart. So 15 minutes should be about perfect. Alright everybody, so we pulled these out right at 15 minutes and here is what they look like. They look absolutely delicious, they smell delicious, but it is time to taste them. Excuse the little jump cut there. Unlike most things I make on this show, I actually needed a fork and knife for this one, so it took a second. Anyway, I got myself a bite here with plenty of cheese, a little bit of sausage, some sauce, some pepperoni. Let's give it a go. Holy cow, that is amazing, guys. Now, the sauce comes through a little bit, but I didn't put a ton. Feel free to add more if you want. I definitely get the cheese. I really like those sausages in there. And the pepperoni gives it that nice little crispy bit of flavor. As far as zucchini goes, if you're not a big fan of zucchini, it's okay. You really don't taste it that much. But guys, this is awesome. Seriously, try it. So with that, guys, I'm going to close this video. If you like the video, leave it a like. If you have any questions or comments or want to recommend something for me to make, leave it in the comment sections. And if you have not subscribed yet, go and hit the subscribe button. Helps me out a lot, helps Olivia out, and more people get to see our videos. But with that, guys, I will see you in the next one.